Hi and welcome to a tutorial in Pegasus 1. Just quickly, today we're going to look at how to hyperlink text in a Google document or a Google slide. In this case, I'm using a Google slide example and I've got one set up here. So there's my slides and I want to go in and actually insert some text. So let's say that I've found an article, a website, a web link to an article. So if I want to, I can copy the name of the article if I want to use it and paste it as text. Yeah, where is that? Paste without formatting. There we go. And I can choose all of that. And I'll show you an alternative way to do this later. Now, I can highlight it all and do link. Now, that's the Control K is a shortcut there as well. So whenever you see these, that means there's shortcuts. If I want to do that, I can achieve the same thing just by doing Control K, and there we go, that's the same thing. So I'll just show you using the right mouse button, Control K, the link. I'll click on that. Now I want to paste the link, so I'll go to my page and copy that link. Okay, so I'm going back and insert it. Now the text I want in there is at the top, so I won't touch that for now. I'll just show you. So now that's created. I've clicked away from it, so that's what it looks like there. And if I click on it, I can actually go to that link myself. So I'll click on that, it opens up a new tab, and there it is. Very simple. If I want to copy that link, I could copy and then I could paste it somewhere else, and then there it is, done. Another thing I could do is I could edit it again, and that means I can put in a new link or change the title. So now the text that's showing, I can just call it Nest Mini Article. There we go. Apply. And there it is. You can see the text. I've just shortened all the text and still got the link there. Very simple. And if I want to remove all of that and no formatting, I can just click on remove link, and there we go, it's gone. So now that link is gone, and that was all there is for it. Hope you learned something new. Take care.